What's up guys, my name is Joe, and in today's video my iPhone is about to die. It's on 6%, and probably by the time I finish with this intro it's going to be on 1%. And this is the time I asked the question, how much does it cost to charge my phone? Have you ever wondered that question? Have you ever bought your new and shiny iPhone for $1,000 and then, just thought about every day you charge this phone, you plug it into the outlet, and how much money do you actually spend on electricity on charging your device? Now, there is actually a way you can measure that, and it is the Eve Energy.
If you want to learn how to make videos just like this one, there's a few things you'll need. You have to learn how to set up your lighting. Skillshare has a class for that. If you want to learn how to edit your audio, there's a class for that. You'll have to learn how to edit the video. Skillshare has a class for that too. If there's anything you want to learn, there's a pretty big chance that Skillshare has a class for that. In fact, that is what I've been doing. I recently started a course on Photoshop, and within hours I learned things I would have never imagined before. Check out the link in the description below, or download the app on your iOS or Android device and start learning while on the go. Join millions of members in the community to learn cutting-edge skills, network with peers, and discover new opportunities.
This little smart appliance is a switch and power meter. You can plug this into the power outlet and you can monitor on how much electricity is being used. Also, it's available with Apple HomeKit, or it works with Apple HomeKit. So you can add it to your home application. You can control your appliances, turn it on and off. But today, I asked the question, if I charge my phone from 1% to 100%, how much will it cost me? So you can either go into the home application and you can switch on and off the Home Energy or Eve Energy, but there's also a dedicated application called Eve, and over here you can see I have a few more Eve appliances. Now if I go on Eve Energy, it shows me a couple of things. First of all, I have the consumption on how much watts are being used at this time. Also, I see the projected cost based on today's use. If I want to see based on the previous week, I can do that. And if I want to do a projected cost, I can do it based on a minute. Over here on total consumption, I can see what I've used so far in the past 24 hours. And this is looking at the day. I can see the week, the month, the hour, how it went. Now, if I look at the total cost, it shows me the total cost of all the energy I've used again in the previous day, the previous week, the previous month, and it sums it up. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to reset consumption. So now it's 0. I will be able to tell how much I spend after this point. Now what I need to do is put my phone on the charger and just let it go. So now it's on 4%. I'm going to wait until it gets to 1% and then basically charge this phone and see how much it comes to be. Now, I've already attached the Eve Energy to this, just to show you that this is that. I can turn it on and turn it off right from the Apple Home application. Okay guys, so the phone is on 1%. Now, I will be plugging in my quick charge charger just to speed things up. And I will be plugging this in here. Now the phone is charging, as you can see. I'm going to open the Eve application, and immediately I should be able to see the consumption go up. As you can see, it's using 14 watts. The projected cost by this minute would be $16 per year. I'm just gonna, wait and see what the cost is going to be once it gets to 100%. So when I get very close, I'll get back to you guys. All right guys, so after 2 hours of charging, as you can see, I'm on 99%. It's almost 100. The phone has been on the charger for about 2 hours, a little bit more than 2 hours. Anyway, the information it says is that based on the previous charging cycle, it would cost me $7 per year. If I do the same amount of charges every day for 1 year, then that would amount to $7. That's not that much. I honestly thought it would be a lot more. it shows me over here my power consumption that I have 0.01 kilowatt hours. And the total cost is so low that it doesn't even show it on this graph. So even if I check over here and I go for the hour, you can see that these are actually cents. So it's 0.00007 cents, and how it goes up and down. So basically the amount of cost and the amount of power your iPhone uses while it charges can be summed up as $7 per year based on this Eve Energy switch and power meter. So guys, I'm actually pretty surprised. I thought it would be a lot higher. Now these are the results. I wonder what you guys think. Please do let me know down in the comment section below. This was my video. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, then be sure to subscribe. If you want an iPhone XS, then check out my other video because there's an iPhone XS giveaway. Until my next video, stay safe and hang loose.